So I'm pointing at something that looks like a bumper reinforcement or a bumper crush bar. So here we have this monster made out of steel, and here is what is replacing it. What a beauty, really. Well, it's a used piece. It is a used piece, but it is carbon fiber. Unfortunately, no one is going to see it. Says BMW, so designed by BMW, manufactured by BMW, so it should have some kind of a performance or function, or I should say it is supposedly still functional. This compared to that, what a difference. I unfortunately had to do a really small modification. I had to trim just a small amount of on the bottom on each side, and this is this area. I probably have taken off a little bit too much, but no one is going to see it. So as far as I'm concerned, I have a factory crush bar in place, and that's all that matters. So I should mention that this piece is the original equipment on E92 M3, so it belongs to a two-door version of this car. Well, not this car, since it's not an M. So getting this monster really carefully on the scale, we can see some numbers, and they are 22.9. So for this monstrosity, it's 23 pounds. So, and this factory carbon fiber version of the crush bar is 9.1, 9.0 pounds. So there's the difference. Well, depending how I maneuver this, it's a 8.7. Well, let's say 9 pounds. That's the upgrade that is happening to my car. So going from, what did I say, 23 pounds to 9 pounds, so that is a saving of 14 pounds. So I'm going to install that thing tomorrow, I hope, and put the bumper cover back on, the tail lights and everything, and probably take this thing and put it in here. In this case, I can say good job, BMW engineers.